Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix your Fortnite game crashing on your PC system. Now, this could be because of your user settings, so I'm going to show you how you can delete that and basically reset your settings, right? So from your desktop here, go to the search bar down here and then type in run. On run, it'll open up a window like this. Now, on the window like this, type in app data, exactly like this. Click on OK. After that, go to local, not local low, not roaming, local, and then scroll down and then find a folder called Fortnite game. There it is, Fortnite game. Click on it. Click on saved. Click on config. Click on Windows client. And usually there's a lot more file here, but right now I only have game user settings.ini, so you could find it easier, or you can see it easier rather. On game user settings.ini, click on it. Right click. On right click, you can see this delete button. Click on delete and you're done. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.